Hello friends, I am Dr. Mansi Parekh and welcome to another video. Today I'll be talking about frameworks underneath dental prosthesis. Frameworks are the understructure supporting dental crowns and bridges. So let's discuss why they are important or why they should be placed. This is an advanced technique specifically used where dental implants are placed. Over the years, there have been numerous complaints about dental implants failure due to uneven distribution of masticatory forces after loading. The prosthesis given over implants may fail because of their high elasticity modules, which leads to cracks in the prosthesis. So, frameworks are given to avoid uneven distribution of forces. The lab cost of framework is high but is beneficial to the patient as the dental implant failure decreases. They act as shock absorbers. They are made up of materials like zirconia, titanium, PE, precious alloys, cobalt chromium based alloys. They are either cement retained or screw retained. Stay tuned with me for the next episode